Hi everyone, this is सौम्य this side. Welcome back to another video in my channel. आज के वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे पेपाल के बारे में. Yes, it is another addition to the company review series where we will be discussing ins and outs of PayPal. We will discuss about the different employee benefits that PayPal has. We will see what all tech stack does the employees of PayPal work in. We will also discuss about the interview rounds that one has to go through to get a job at PayPal, as well as how to prepare for them. Not only this, we will also discuss in detail about the yearly appraisals that happen at PayPal and the exact salary breakdown at each of the different levels inside PayPal. So if you are someone who is interested to know about PayPal as well as its salary structure, then you have come to the right place. Before starting, ये ज़रूर मैं कहना चाहूँगा कि the like target for this video is 1.5 thousand likes. तो जाके like बटन को ठोक दो और वीडियो को शेयर कर दो अपने दोस्तों के साथ ताकि और लोगों तक ये वीडियो पहुंचे. Not only this, if you have not subscribed to the channel, subscribe कर लो यार, किसका इंतजार कर रहे हो? So without further ado, let's get started. तो पेपाल के बारे में किसने नहीं सुना होगा. पेपाल को इंडिया में आए हुए काफ़ी साल हो गए and one of the co-founders is हमारे Elon Musk. So what is PayPal? PayPal is basically an American multinational fintech company which leverages technology in order to solve problems related to payments. Basically, it facilitates online payment across the globe and acts as an electronic alternative for the traditional methods of money transfer. आपको अगर इधर बैठकर यूके में कोई टिकट परचेज करनी है तो आप पेपाल के थ्रू डायरेक्टली कर सकते हैं very easily. PayPal को you should always consider as a technology first company rather than a finance first company because even though it's a fintech company, it uses technology at its core to solve complex problems related to payment and payment services. अब इंडिया में पेपाल लोकेटेड कहाँ पे है? तो इन इंडिया पेपाल has its offices in 4 different locations. One is Chennai, second is Bangalore, third is Hyderabad, and fourth is Mumbai. Now we will discuss about the employee benefits that you can get at PayPal. Number 1 is work from home benefits. You can reimburse up to an amount of 12,000 rupees in this calendar year for any expense that you incur for your work from home arrangements. आपको ये सुन के लग रहा होगा कि 12,000 रुपए तो काफी कम है with respect to what other companies are paying in the market right now. However, you can cut a ticket and ask them to deliver you many different products that you will require for your work from home arrangements. For example, Apple का Magic Keyboard, ultra wide monitor, mouse, headset, so on and so forth आप directly कंपनी से ही ले सकते हैं without any cost. Number 2, leaves benefits. You can take around 25 days of paid time off in a 1 calendar year, which is pretty good with respect to what is offered in the industry. Apart from that, you can take 7 days of sick leave as well as 2 days of floating holidays. ये दो ही थोड़ा सा कम है from the industry average. In addition to that, obviously maternity leaves, paternity leaves and stuff are as per the government ruling. Maternity leave you can take up to 6 months and paternity leave you can take up to only 2 weeks. In addition to that, you also get 1,200 rupees per month as food coupons, which you can use to purchase any food item that you want. However, you do not get an internet reimbursement in PayPal, which is kind of a bummer. One amazing benefit that PayPal has is employee stock purchase plan, which I have discussed a bit in my previous company review videos as well of Salesforce and Adobe. Now, what is employee stock purchase plan? Employee stock purchase plan is basically a plan with which you can purchase PayPal's stock at a reduced rate than that of market. In PayPal, you can purchase up to 2 to 10% of your monthly take-home salary as PayPal stocks at a reduced price by 15% than that of the market. Coming to notice period, and it is extremely important to highlight that because previously the notice period at PayPal was about 3 months. However, recently, as recent as 2021, they have reduced the notice period from 3 months to 1 month, which is a good move and should be encouraged across the industry. आपके पास ये सवाल होगा कि क्या पेपाल से हम बाहर इंटरनेशनल ट्रांसफर ले सकते हैं टू अ डिफरेंट कंट्री इन अ डिफरेंट टीम, जैसे कि हम बहुत सारे बड़े जो बिग टेक कंपनीज है इंडिया में उससे ले सकते हैं? The answer sadly to this is no. We cannot take international transfer from India to outside in PayPal. It is not at all encouraged and it's almost next to impossible as per the employees. Now let's discuss about the tech stack at PayPal. So the tech stack at PayPal is quite latest. फ्रंट एंड के लिए वो रिएक्ट यूज करते हैं जनरली. फॉर द बैक एंड दे टिपिकली यूज जावा, नोड एंड स्काला. However, Java forms or constitute almost 95% of the teams that are present in PayPal. Many of the time you will see Java specific roles and Java specific openings inside PayPal. So if you have good expertise in Java, it has a higher chance that your resume will get selected whenever you apply there. For database, they basically use RDBMS, Oracle DB, and for cloud services, they use Google Cloud Platform or GCP. Now coming to yearly increments, the yearly increment is slightly below the industry average. It is around 7 to 14%. This is the merit-based increment that happens every year. Apart from that, obviously in case of promotion cases, you get an additional promo increment on top of this merit-based increment, and it is generally done to push you from one salary band to another when you get promoted to the next level. Now discussing about the interview rounds at PayPal, it is quite similar to what is present for the other big tech companies that are out there. First and foremost round, you will get a hacker test. The complexity level of the hacker test at PayPal is around medium and medium hard typically. The idea of the hacker test is to weed out maximum amount of candidates so that the interviews can happen in a streamlined fashion for a limited amount of candidates. For SD1s, typically there are 2 rounds of DSA that happens along with a managerial round. The 2 rounds of DS is basically data structures and problem solving based rounds, and the level is Leak Code medium, and the managerial round is typically behavioral plus technical round, which means you will be asked some behavioral questions if you apply for software engineer 1 role, along with some resume related technical questions that will be asked here. It will not be a DSA based round where you will be asked to code typically. For SD2s, apart from these 3 interviews, you get additional 2 interviews for high level design as well as low level design. Both of the designs are extremely important. Typically for an SD2, low level design is of immense importance. For SD3 and above, high level design also has equal importance with that of low level design. Along with all these rounds, there is also a concept of bar raiser, which completely depends from one team to another. And bar raiser, just like a hiring manager round, is also a techno behavioral round. From preparation point of view, solving Leak Code medium is more than sufficient to crack interviews at PayPal. Low level design, obviously you can refer to my playlist that is present. Apart from that, I will also be coming up with a detailed series of design patterns, so don't forget to refer that as well. And for high level design, I already have made a video where I have talked about different sources that you can use to prepare high level design from scratch. Now we can discuss about the salary structure of PayPal. The salary structure of PayPal is fairly similar to other companies. It constitutes of a base salary, which is the monthly salary that you will get that will be credited in your account. Second is the yearly bonus, which is basically a performance bonus that is credited to your account at the end of the year. The third is the on-hire stock grant, which is basically PayPal stocks that is given to you whenever you join the company for the first time. So the total amount that is given to you will be given equally divided in the next 3 years. तो PayPal में बस एक छोटा सा डिफरेंस है कि यहाँ पे स्टॉक्स आपके 3 साल के लिए वेस्ट होते हैं, whereas बाकी सारे कंपनीज में स्टॉक्स टिपिकली 4 साल के लिए वेस्ट होते हैं, except for Coinbase where the stock is only given for the first year. Apart from that, there is a concept of refresher, which means additional stock is given at the time of performance review. And typically it is seen that if you meet expectations, the stock refresher that is given to you is around the amount of stock that you get for 1 year as your new hire stock grant. The refresher also is given to you for the next 3 years divided equally. I really hope that you are liking my content. If you are, then hit the like button. The like target is 1.5 thousand likes. Share it among your friends and peers and subscribe to the channel if you have not already. This is my Instagram account that you see up there throughout the video. Go there and follow me and we can have good discussion there as well. If you're wondering what different kind of courses that are out there which will help you in cracking these companies, then I must say Coding Ninja is probably one of the best online coding education platform that is present, which you can definitely rely on. It has a plethora of different courses ranging from data structures and algorithm in different languages, machine learning, data science, Android development and web development, and so on and so forth. Now let us talk about the data structures and algorithm course in C++. It is probably one of the best course that is out there at this point in time, and it is not just me who is telling, it is all of my juniors who have tried out this course. If you want 15% discount in this course as well as the other courses that are present, then go to the link that is present in the description below. Apart from it, this course is extremely placement oriented, well structured, has amazing video quality, along with doubt support by teaching assistants if you face any problem. Avail the 15% discount by going to the link below. Probably सबसे exciting part आ चुका है इस particular video का, where we will be discussing about the exact salary breakdown at the various levels of PayPal. To be honest, जब मैंने देखा था PayPal के इतने ज़्यादा level है कि पूछो मत. Literally जिसके लिए किसी टिपिकल कंपनी में 3 लेवल होते हैं, SD1, SD2 एंड SD3, पेपाल में एग्जैक्टली उसी के लिए there are around 5 to 6 levels that are present, and we will definitely discuss all the 5 levels that are present in PayPal in this particular salary breakdown. So let's just jump right into it. Number 1 is T22, which is equivalent to Software Engineer 1. Here, the years of experience required is greater than 0 years of experience. The base salary range varies between 12 lakhs per year to around 16 lakhs per year. The performance bonus is 10% at SE1 level. Along with it, you are also given new hire stock, which varies between around 9 lakhs to 12 lakhs for 3 years. So all in all, your yearly salary at T22 SE1 level at PayPal varies between 16 lakhs to 22 lakhs per year. Coming to T23 level, which is equivalent to a Software Engineer 2 level at PayPal, the years of experience required to be at this particular role is greater than 2 years of experience. The base salary range varies between 17 lakhs per year to around 25 lakhs per year. The performance bonus is again 10% at this particular level. Along with it, you are also given new hire stock grant, which varies between 12 lakhs per year to around 22 lakhs per year. The yearly salary that you can expect at this particular level varies between 22 lakhs per year to 35 lakhs per year. Now, coming to T24 level, which is equivalent to a senior software engineer level at PayPal, the years of experience required to be at this particular level is more than 4 years of experience. The base salary range at this level varies between 25 lakhs per year to 35 lakhs per year. Performance bonus is again 10%. Along with it, you are given a new hire stock grant of around 21 lakhs to around 37.5 lakhs for the 3 years. So all in all, your yearly salary at PayPal at this particular level varies between 35 lakhs per year to around 50 lakhs per year. Now we will discuss about the T25 level, which is basically Member of Technical Staff 1. The years of experience required to be at this particular level is more than 6 years of experience. The base salary range at this particular level varies between 35 lakhs per year to 50 lakhs per year. The performance bonus here is again 10%. In addition to this, you are also given a new hire stock grant, which varies between 30 lakhs to 52.5 lakhs for the next 3 years. So all in all, your yearly salary at this particular level in PayPal will vary between 48 lakhs per year to around 72 lakhs per year. Talking about the T26 level, which is equivalent to Member of Technical Staff 2, the years of experience required at this particular level is more than 9 years of experience. The base salary range at this particular level varies between 45 lakhs per year to 65 lakhs per year. The performance bonus in this particular level is around 15%. Obviously, 5% ज़्यादा मिलता है इस particular level में as performance bonus. And in addition to that, the new hire stock that you get is around 45 lakhs to around 75 lakhs for the next 3 years. So your yearly salary at this particular level will vary somewhere between 67 lakhs per year to around 1 crore per year. All in all, I would say that PayPal is definitely a good company to work on. It is not like your typical fintech company where finance takes the precedence. PayPal is still technology at its core. It has interesting projects to work on. However, from a compensation perspective, it is a level lower than the maximum that is out there for a software development engineer at this point in time. If you are someone who is looking to transfer somewhere outside of India, then PayPal is not for you. However, from brand perspective, as well as from the work that they do and a decent work-life balance with a good compensation, PayPal hands down is definitely a very good company to work for. There is no doubt about that. I really hope that you like my content. If you did, then like this video. The like target is 1.5 thousand likes. Share it among your friends and peers. It will definitely help out the channel a lot. Subscribe to the channel अगर अभी तक नहीं करा है तो किसका इंतजार कर रहे हो यार, सब्सक्राइब कर दो. And hit that notification bell. Do comment down below different kinds of videos that you would want me to make and different other company reviews that you want out there. I will try my level best to bring such content for you guys. This is Soumyajit bidding goodbye. Das Vidania.